Welcome back to another Eats365 release overview. Today we will explore the latest features and enhancements in the Eats365 POS, the branded online store, and the merchant portal. In this video, we'll go over the features we've added on the POS, namely Macau Pass integration, printing payment details on POS or KPay payment terminal receipts, KPay support for PayMe terminals, number separator in POS reports, customizable queuing messages and queuing ticket color options, and a new supported printer type. As for the merchant portal, we've applied some enhancements, such as a powerful new search tool, enhanced transaction and items sold reports, new functions for Keeta integration, and delivery platform indicators on pickup display. The branded online store also received helpful updates, such as adding a new compact menu layout, customizing payment options, and hiding inactive food court vendors. We'll be going over each of these updates in more detail. If you're particularly interested in any of the enhancements, you can check the video description below to jump to the topic you'd like to hear about. Let's get started. Beginning with exciting news for restaurants in Macau. Eats365 now supports Macau Pass as a payment option. This allows you to offer even more supported payment options such as credit cards, Octopus, and QR code payments. To set up Macau Pass, first log in to the merchant portal. Click on Restaurant Settings and open the Integrated Payment Settings. Scroll to the left until you find Macau Pass. Enable the integration, then enter the necessary information and decide the printing and scanning methods. You must also enable the payment types that you'll be using with Macau Pass. Another integrated payment enhancement lets you choose whether your POS or your KPay payment terminal prints the payment information of transactions. Whichever device you choose, the receipt it prints will include the transaction's payment details. You can configure this in the integrated payment settings of the merchant portal. Scroll sideways to find KPay, then choose the printing method of your choice. Additionally, for KPay, PayMe has now been added as a supported payment terminal. To use PayMe with KPay, enable PayMe. Depending on your restaurant's preferences, you can set whether numeral figures displayed in POS reports will include a comma in between every 3 digits. To configure this, log into the POS. At the top left, tap Settings, then tap System Preferences. Under Daily Closing Report Settings, Reconciliation Report Settings, and Shift Report Settings, enable the Show Number Separator setting for the report where you'd like to implement including commas in numbers. You can also access this setting on the merchant portal. Moving on to queuing updates. First, you can now display a custom message on your queuing system when ticket issuing is paused. This allows you to explain the reason for the pause and manage customer expectations. To set this up on the merchant portal, navigate to Restaurant Settings, then select Queuing. Select General, then enable Custom Message Options. Click on Add New and enter a reason for suspension. To add more reason options in the selector, click on Add New again. You can set this up for other languages by changing the language. Next, for queuing, you can now customize the colors of queue tickets on the POS to match your restaurant's branding or preferences. Previously, there was a pre-assigned color for each of the 5 ticket types. To customize queue ticket colors, open the merchant portal, then access the queuing ticket type settings. Turn on Enable Custom Color, then next to Background Color or Text Color, click on the color picker. Depending on your preferred method, you can either select the color manually using the color selector or enter the RGB code of the color. And for our final POS update, you can now pair TSPL printers with the Eats365 POS. To do this, in the POS settings, click on Printer Setup. Click on Add, then select TSPL printer. Enter a name for the printer, then enter the printer's IP address. you can click on Test to perform a test print on the printer. Then configure the printer's settings based on your preferences, then tap Pair. Now let's discuss the Merchant Portal enhancements. You can now get instant support with the new Eats365 Academy AI chat. This convenient tool can help you find information about our products within the Merchant Portal while managing administrative tasks right on the same website. Just click on the icon at the lower right part of the Merchant Portal to start. When you enter a question or a keyword, the tool responds with details relating to your query, including knowledge base articles and other helpful suggestions. Moving on, a new export option for the transaction report lets you generate a report that excludes combo option and modifier details, giving you a more concise view of your sales data. This enhancement is available on the Merchant Portal. Just go to Reporting, then select Transaction Report. Enter your preferred date range and click on Submit to generate the report. Select Export Detail, Exclude Combo Option and Modifier to download the report file. Don't worry, you can still generate the more detailed report if needed. Next, we've enhanced the item sold report by removing the single and combo item details for combo items. After this update, only the dining type and its corresponding data will be listed under a combo item summary. To view the item sold report on the Merchant Portal, click on Reporting and then Sales. Select Item Sold Report, then enter your criteria and generate the report. We also have two new settings for Keeta integration. You can enable these settings on the Merchant Portal by going to the App Library and accessing your Keeta integration settings. Starting with displaying the discount amount of orders separately in reports. When the Include Merchant Discount setting is enabled, the discount amount used in orders will be noted in reports. For example, if a customer's order total is $30 and they use a $10 discount, the report will show $30 as the subtotal, $10 as discount, and $20 as the order total. If this setting is disabled, the discount amount will already be accounted for in the order total. For the next update, you can now set the POS to receive all orders placed through Keeta. When you turn on Enable Order Manager, orders placed through Keeta will be routed to the POS for management. If you have a different device for managing Keeta orders, you must turn this setting off. Lastly, for our portal updates, you can add a delivery platform indicator next to order numbers displayed on the pickup display. By adding a custom text that indicates the delivery platform of the order, this allows customers to easily find their order number on the screen. You must set this up for each takeaway platform. In the App Library on the Merchant Portal, open the integration settings. This also applies to Keeta, so we'll be using Keeta for the steps. Once you're in the integration settings, enable prefix when call number customized, then enter the custom prefix. Moving on to our branded online store enhancements. A new compact menu layout option has been added for branded online store websites. If the compact menu function is applied, the menu categories and items will be compressed to show more options on the screen. To configure this, on the Merchant Portal, click on Modules, then select Branded Online Store. Open the online ordering site settings, then next to the website you'd like to apply this layout, click on Edit. Select Compact View as the menu item display style. You can also now reorder the placement of the payment methods on the payment screen. This enhancement allows you to decide the order based on your personal preference, market trends, and more. To do this, in the Branded Online Store settings, open the General Settings. Under Payment Method, set the sequence to Custom, then click and drag each payment method to where you want it to be placed. And for our final enhancement, for food court restaurants, your branded online store website can be configured to hide shops that are not currently in operation. If the setting is enabled, the shop, also known as the vendor, will not be displayed on your branded online store's website until the shop reopens. To set this up, in the branded online store general settings, enable hide shop in non-operating hours. Alright, that completes our highlights for this video. As a reminder, these enhancements and features are now available on your POS branded online store and the merchant portal. So feel free to explore these new and exciting features and elevate your restaurant's workflow. If you encounter any challenges while setting up the features, you can always check the Eats365 knowledge base for in-depth guides or contact us for further assistance.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.